Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Pooh!
Oh, googly bear!
He rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky,
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress.
Gun unit, is to spread out and lock it down.
Be on the lookout for this child. Nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Now go? Oh, no. Slam it.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
After careful and thorough
You
observation,
all have to get decontaminated.
situation status 2, Niner 2. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
big ears.
We responded to a 2319
Are those your real ears?
where we immediately secured the internet when...
Good afternoon, humans. Hey, young man in the third row. I'm ready for my close-up. Make sure you get my good side. Young lady in the third row. I like your glasses.